Hi everybody, my name is Clocky. Let's see if you can tell time.
Hello everyone, this is Robert from the Solis Academy, and this is a quick video to demonstrate how to use iTellTimePro. So this app is to help little children learn how to tell time. So the first thing that you'll notice is that Clocky shows up on the phone and introduces himself, but if you don't want to work with Clocky, you can work with Clockette, and you can tap her on the upper left hand corner. So let's see what she has to say when I tap the upper left hand corner button.
Hi everybody, my name is Clockette. Let's see if you can tell time.
All right, so you can choose either one of the characters to work with in order to help you learn how to tell time. So I'm going to go back to selecting Clocky.
Hi everybody, my name is Clocky. Let's see if you can tell time.
All right, so at first you see that Clocky is showing a time. You'll see on the bottom that you have 5 different options. Right now the hours option is selected, and then next to that you'll see it says halves, quarters, mins, and then H:M, which is hours and minutes. So this is what you get for free to help your child learn how to tell time in terms of the hours. So this is the easiest of all the drills. So at first you see that the big hand is pointing to the 6, so that would be 6 o'clock, so I'm going to tap the 6 o'clock button. All right, and now it's showing 11 o'clock. That's one of the button options, so I'm going to tap 11 o'clock. All right, let me go ahead and tap 8 more and let's see what happens.
Wow, you just answered 10 in a row correctly. Way to go.
So Clocky lets you know if you're doing a great job, and he'll let you know. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to answer one of these incorrectly. So let me tap 1 o'clock when it's really 8 o'clock.
Oh, you made a mistake. The correct answer is the green button. Touch my nose to continue.
So as you can see here, 1 o'clock was the incorrect selection, and the green button, as you can see, which is 8 o'clock, that was the correct answer. So if you make a mistake, Clocky lets you know by showing you the green button, and also the red button is the one that you accidentally selected. To continue, you can see that you're supposed to touch Clocky's nose, so let me go ahead and do that. All right, so now 7 o'clock appears. I could tap that, and then just go from here. Okay, so that's what you get for free. You get the hours on the bottom selection. You get the hours ability or the hours drills for free. Now, if you want, you can purchase the premium package, which gives you access to the half hour, quarter hour, minute, and hours and minutes. So let me show you what that looks like. So for example, if I tap on halves on the very bottom, this comes up and it says purchasing the premium version of this app gives you the ability to complete the half hour, quarter hour, minutes before or after, and finally hours and minutes drills. As you can see here in the middle of the screen, it says tap here to watch a YouTube video about this feature, which is the YouTube video you're watching right now. And then at the very bottom, you have the opportunity to purchase the package. So I'm going to tap yes. And so now I can purchase this package. So I'm going to enter my password. Now that I've entered my password, I'm going to go ahead and tap buy. Okay, it says you're all set. Your purchase was successful. So now I'm going to tap OK. And now you'll notice that the restore button on the upper right hand corner is gone because you've purchased the package. And now I should be able to select halves, quarters, mins, and hours and minutes. So let's see what happens when I touch halves. So you see what happens. Let me touch quarters. Let me tap on mins, and then hours and minutes. All right, so let's give you an example of what each of these do. For example, now in the halves, you'll notice that I have various answers on the bottom. And in this case, it's 8:30. So I'm going to tap that button. This one is 11:30, and so forth and so on. When you've mastered this drill, you can select quarters on the bottom, and so now you see some of the different options. Well, this one is going to be a 4:45, and so that's this button over here. And this one's a 5:15, so that'll be the bottom left button. Now let's give you a demonstration of minutes, so I'll tap on that. All right, so it looks like this is going to be 3 minutes before 6. So if you look over here on the upper right-hand corner, it says 3 mins before 6. All right, so this one is what, 11, 25, 26, 27, 28. So that's going to be 28 minutes after 11. And then finally the last drill, which is this selection over here, H:M, that's for hours and minutes. So this is really the mastery level of telling time. Can you tell time in accordance to the hour and a minute? And so over here we are looking at 1:02. In this case, you are looking at 11:47. And in this case, you are looking at 9:08.
Wow! You just answered 10 in a row correctly. Way to go!
Now, if you want to select Clockette, she'll do the same thing.
Hi, everybody. My name is Clockette. Let's see if you can tell time.
All right, so in this case, it's 2:24. And now it's 6:40. And now it's displaying 11:58. And so forth and so on. So you have all of the drills available on the bottom when you purchase the premium package. And that's it. This is iTellTimePro. It helps your children learn how to tell time really, really quickly. The best strategy is to start off with the hours, then go to halves, then go to quarters, then go to minutes, and then go to hours and minutes. And in no time, no pun intended, your child will be telling time. All right, so I hope this video lesson was helpful. This is Robert from the Solis Academy. Have a good day. See you next time.